Building a community with LearnWorlds can be a game changer, but it's important to know exactly how to maximize its features to get the best results. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to leverage LearnWorlds to grow your community, but we'll also look at some alternatives that may even be a better fit for your needs. Stay tuned. First up, let's dive into the platform itself. LearnWorlds offers a solid set of community building features, but it's important to note that setting up a community isn't as intuitive as it could be. You'll need to manually create your community sections, which may take some time to perfect, but once set up, the platform allows for extensive customization. You can create course communities, integrate discussion boards, and set up comment sections for every course you offer. This encourages engagement, but it can be a little clunky if you're not familiar with the setup process. The platform does allow you to control permissions well, so only certain users can access specific content or discussion areas. Next thing, LearnWorlds gives you some options to gamify the community experience, like awarding points for activity, which is a great motivator. However, the gamification is fairly basic, and you might find that it doesn't go far enough to keep a community engaged long term. Some other platforms go deeper with point systems, badges, and levels, which might make LearnWorlds seem lacking in this department. The good news is that you can encourage users to interact by rewarding them for sharing their progress, but there's a bit of room for improvement when it comes to variety in how these rewards show up. The third thing is LearnWorlds' integration with email marketing. This is where it starts to shine. You can easily communicate with your members, send them newsletters, updates, and course content. However, while the integration is there, the tools aren't as robust as some dedicated email platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit. If your community needs frequent communication, or if you're looking to automate email flows, you might find yourself wishing for a more advanced tool here. The fourth thing to mention is LearnWorlds' ability to monetize your community. It's definitely one of its stronger suits. You can set up memberships, courses, and even live sessions, all of which help you monetize your community. However, the built-in payment system doesn't offer as many options as some other platforms. If you're hoping for flexibility in how you collect payments or want more advanced affiliate management, you may find LearnWorlds a bit limited. Now, I'm going to give you some food for thought. While LearnWorlds is solid for many, it might not be the best option if your main goal is building an engaged community over time. Other platforms offer better community building features, like native social network integration and more seamless content sharing options. For example, platforms like School are more focused on community-first experiences with stronger engagement features built in. So, here's the deal. LearnWorlds has some great tools, but if you're looking for a more dynamic community experience, it might fall short. That's why I've also linked some amazing alternatives that have better community building options and also come with free trials. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Check out these options if you're serious about creating a thriving community. That's it for today's quick LearnWorlds tutorial. Be sure to check out the description for the best free trial and other awesome tools that can help you build the community you're looking for.